Hello beauties, Ivana here and welcome back to OFRA's YouTube channel. So as you can see, for today we're doing this really fun, easy Halloween look using all of our OFRA products. So if you're one that struggles in Halloween, you never know what to do, or you just don't know how to do it, here's the video for you. Here's some inspo. I hope you like it. If you're interested, just keep watching. So for today, I'm going to start off with the eyes before I begin with the face. And for that, I'm going to do my eyebrows first. I'm going to be using our semi-permanent eyebrow gel in the shade Dark Brown. And I usually go for lighter eyebrows, like a natural look kind of. But since it's a Halloween look, I want it to actually be dark and prominent. I want it to be like a bold eyebrow look. So next I'm going into our contouring and highlighting cream foundation palette, and I'm going to use this as a eyeshadow primer and to clean up my eyebrows a little bit. So since I'm going for like a spooky but glam type of skull, I'm going to be starting off with a really simple smoky eye look using the Bright Addiction palettes because there's nothing you can't do with this palette. The first shade we're going to be using is Melon, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. So next, with a smaller blending brush, we're going into brown right here. And let's continue transitioning that shade. Next, we're diving into Triple Black, hence the name, Triple Black. And as you can see on this eye, the shape I'm kind of going for is a little bit round here, and then it kind of goes up and connects with the eyebrow to make it look like a skull. I'm not going to add mascara or lashes to like the very end. I'm going to start with my base. And for that, I'm going to be using my Absolute Cover Foundation in the shade number 4 as usual. Now we're going to dive into Melon once again. And we're just going to repeat the whole process of Melon, Brown, and Triple Black. And we're going to just do like a little streak up here and up here. And then once again with the same shades, I'm going to do my under eye really quick. So I really want a pop of color in my inner corners, and for that I'm going to be using our Glitch palette. I'm going to dip into Easy Bake and Rhinestones. As you can see, I put a little bit on my brow bones just so it can like go together. And then for blush and bronzer, I'm going to be using my new favorite Midi palette, which is the Sweet Electric. And I'm going to be using Crazy Pink and Cocoa, which smells delicious. You just like it. So next to highlight, I'm going to use the Glitch palette once again, and I'll be using the same two shades, which is Rhinestones and Easy Bake. On to detailing, I like using my Verified Liquid Liner in black and our Fixed Line Gel in black as well. They both work equally as good, so whether you're a gel person or a liquid liner person, these are your babies. Doesn't look like a skull yet because the trick is in the shading. So we're gonna dive into our Bright Addiction palette one more time, and we're gonna use the shade Triple Black and Brown. Next, we're dipping into our Glitch palette one more time, and we're gonna go in with Easy Bake. And before I forget, we're going to do our nose, and I'm going to be using our Verified Liquid Liner in black and our Fixed Line Gel in black as well. And of course, we're gonna use Easy Bake to highlight the tip of the nose. And then for lips, I'm looking for something that's gonna match my skin tone. So I'm gonna be using our long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Dubai. And now on top of that, I'm just adding a little bit more of foundation so that it's a completely clean canvas. So now with our verified liquid liner, I'm going to begin with our mouth details. Next, we're going to dip into our fixed line gel in the shade White Rabbit, and I'm going to be using this to draw our teeth. Now going in with our verified liquid liner once again, we're going to go over those black lines just so they can pop out a little bit more. So now I'm just adding a little bit more blush all on my face, just so it all kind of ties in together. I'm gonna add now some HD Volumizing Mascara. Popped on some lashes, and this is the final look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. I hope I was useful, helpful for Halloween that's coming up. For more creative looks, you can find me on Instagram as Ivana's MKUP. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn your post notifications on to get notified every time we post a new video. Once again, thank you to OFRA for having me here. It's always such an honor. I'll see you guys in the next one.